Well, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday, the day before. Oh no, today's Friday. No, today's not Friday. Today is Thursday, the day before we gotta leave for Danger Ranger. So what we got done yesterday, we got these things put in. I don't know how much I recorded. I haven't edited the video yet, so I don't know what exactly I showed you guys yesterday. Good news is, first of all, we can't attend Danger Ranger. I know that's in the last video yesterday because we did something a little wrong. I explained it in the last video, but basically, we did this whole cross thing here wrong, basically. You're supposed to have a solid bar from here going to the hoop. We did not have that, but the guy said we can make it work. When we get there, we'll take it as we go. So, take it as we go. So, hopefully we're good. But he said we'll try to make it work. So, that's good to hear. So we're still going. We're going no matter what. We're maybe going to do the demolition drag, maybe. That's probably what my backup option was. But yeah, so other than that, roll cage is all set. We got to add one more bar from there to there just to, you know, since they are probably going to let us go in with this. So I'm going to just put as many bars as I can over there. Not as many bars as I can, but, you know, the 2-bar layout they want. So do that. Put that over there. Right now we're just going to add this here to here. Then we're going to add 2 of these, like one here, probably just like that, across, and one up here across. Just for a little extra support for these, and also just for a little more protection of dirt. It may add a third one, who knows? We have plenty of metal over there for it. So we also, I didn't record this, I know I didn't, because it was dark out, and GoPros and darkness don't mix, and we don't have very good light out here. So with that being said, we got the radiator in, she's all set, we got her all aired out, we got the transmission lines in, I gotta check the transmission fluid, I added some, but I just wanna make sure we added enough. You gotta put the air. Actually, oh no, I put the air intake back in. Not the air intake. Well, I did put that back in too. But air filter. So what we're also doing today, also other than doing that, we're gonna be doing a battery disconnect switch. So I'm planning on wiring a switch right here. I'm gonna weld a little plate right here. Switch is gonna mount right to it, just so that's like, hey, turn it on, turn the battery off, whatever it is. Get out of the truck, turn it off. Get in the truck, turn the battery on. You know, so. Doing that, that's why this is like this. I may take this to the mechanic shop like this, because I gotta get this thing aligned. As you can see, this tire is basically straight. That tire is really not straight, so I hope really nothing really wrong with that side. There shouldn't be anything wrong with that side. Yeah, hopefully nothing wrong with the steering rack, hopefully. Alright guys, so Rango's at the alignment shop. I forgot to hit record, and also the camera died, so I came into a little rush area right now. So Rango's at the alignment shop. We'll get her soon. Right now I'm gonna go pick up the RV from my boss. He's on his borrow it, so really big appreciation to him. So I'll pick guys up in the RV. Alright boys, we just obtained the Winnebago. We are driving off right now to go back to my house so we can test fit the trailer and all that good stuff. Make sure we have brakes on the trailer. I'm not gonna go pick up Rango in this, but we're gonna actually maybe we will. But we obtained it. Now we gotta get her home, get her situated, go take her some test drives. I've never driven an RV before, so this is gonna be a little bit of a learning curve for me, but we'll learn it. I'm a good, decent learning driver person. Everyone state that. I do what I do. I do what I do, and I do what I can. Alright guys, we got the RV home. Now we're going to take a trip over to, we gotta pick up Rango, which Rango has some bad news actually. Rango apparently has a bad, what do you call it? racket pinion, which is not good. I don't know if I can get a racket pinion in the time frame I have. I gotta try. I can definitely swap it out. I'll have to end up doing an alignment myself, which that's not good. That's not a good thing to do. But idea would be to definitely let's get the crucial things done today, like things I can't do in Tennessee, like get everything welded, welded, done. Get the battery switch, which I could do that in Tennessee. Honestly, I could do that. But yeah, this is getting a little worrying now. I don't know if we're going to go for it, guys. We're going to go down there anyways. We're going to do everything in our power to get in this race. But it's just, you know, I'm not saying uncle until the final point gets to the point where it's like, yep, you're done. All right, guys, we just ordered the racket pinion. Hopefully that comes in tonight. They said it is. The girl gave me a really good discount, so I'm really happy about the discount. But yeah, so hopefully by tonight we get that installed. Maybe get the naval. See, I don't want to remove it just in case, but I might have to. But I don't know. A lot of work to do. I'm from mumbling, jumbling about right now because we got a lot to do, little time. Oh, dog jumping on me. Hi, Shadow. And yeah, so yeah, maybe what we'll get the truck done. You know, just gotta get the battery switch in. And what was the other thing? What was the other thing? Oh, and then weld that one last bar into place, and we'll be good to go. Everything will be happy. We'll be happy boys and girls, hopefully. All right, guys. So the RV is all set up. The brakes do work on the trailer with the RV, so we're good on that. Now we're just gonna get Rango's power steering rack taken out, installed, get the quick disconnect from the battery, and I gotta cover up one hole in the engine bay, and we're good to go. Rango will be ready. Tomorrow we'll get an alignment down in Tennessee or somewhere along the way. All right, guys. Well, I just want to show you this real quick. Right there, she's cracked right in half, right there. So almost got her out, got all the bolts besides these two, and I'm getting this one off right now. So and I also get that tie rod off over there. That's a brand new one, but after that, this will be off, and just gotta wait for the new one to come, which hopefully in the next couple hours it will, and then we'll be ready to go to Bristol.